Hi friends, welcome to Tech World. Today we are discussing about Excel functions. Now you can see I have a table like this, like a student name, subject 1, subject 2, and first I will find a total. For that I click this cell, I click equal, and I click the first number. I type the addition symbol plus, then I click the another number, then enter. Now I get the one total, and for the other one I will drag and drop. For that I just click the total cell again. I move mouse in the corner. When your mouse arrow will be like this arrow, then you can click and drag it down. It will become automatic total. Now I will create one more heading, grade. Grade. Okay, here I will use the if condition. That means I need to put a condition which student get a total mark more than 100, he have a grade A. Which student have a less than 100, he have a grade B. For that I can use like this. I can type if equal to, I type like this, equal to if, open bracket, I select the total cell. If this total greater than 100, if this total greater than 100, comma, I put the grade A and I close the double quotes, and if less than 100 I will put B. For that I put here comma again, I open double quotes, I put B, I close the double quotes, I close the bracket. After that I enter here. Now you can see this is grade B. For other one we no need to do anything. We can drag it same like this. You can move your mouse in the corner. When your mouse is arrow like this, you can click and you can drag. Now you can see automatically, you can see here which grade more than 100, that is A. Which total is more than 100, then grade will be A. Which is less than 100, grade will be B. That is the use of if condition. Basically the syntax is like that. If condition true, then first answer will print. If condition false, second answer will come. Like that it is working. Now we are going to discuss if and condition. You can see now I have a table like this, name, subject 1 and subject 2. What we are going to do, if subject 1 mark greater than 50 and subject 2 mark greater than 50, then we need to print grade A1, else we need to print grade B1. That means if we are using if and condition, we can use multiple condition. If we are using only if, we can use only one condition. Now we can try how we can use that condition. You can type here equal, you can type if, equal if and open bracket, and you can type here and, okay, and open the bracket again, and I will click the first subject greater than 50, comma, I will click again the second subject, that is also greater than 50, then I will close the bracket, comma, if this condition is true, we need to print A1. For that I will open one double quotes, I will print A1. I will close the quotes again, and I will put comma, then else if the condition is false, we want to print B1. For that I will open the quotes again, I will put B1, then I will close the quotes and I will close the bracket and I will enter. You can see now this is B1 because of both the conditions are false, that is B1, and I will move the mouse same in the corner, I will drag. You can see which one is A1 and which one is B1. I will drag it top also. Now you can see which one is A1. This is A1. Why? Because of A1 you can see here subject 1 64 and subject 2 65. That means this and this more than 50. That's why we can get the answer here A1. Suppose I change this subject. I change this subject mark 40. If I change this 40, you can see automatically it will go to B1 because of first subject mark less than 50, second subject mark greater than 65. That means first condition is false, second condition is true. The AND will work if both the conditions are true. That means here you can see if this condition is true and this condition is true, then this answer we can get. If any of this condition is false, you can get the B1. This is for if AND. Now we can discuss about if or condition. Now you can see I have a name, subject 1, subject 2 and total. If or condition means if subject 1 is greater than 50 or subject 2 is greater than 50, then grade is A1. That means any of this condition true, then it will print A1, else it will print B1. Now we can check this one by condition. I will do like this, equal if, I will open the bracket, I will type OR, I will open the bracket again and I will click the first subject, if first subject greater than 50, comma, and I will click the second subject that also greater than 50 and I close the bracket, I click comma, then I open double quotes. I need to print if this any of this condition true, I need to print A1 and I close the bracket, comma again, I open again double quotes, I type B1, I click the capital and I type B1, I close the double quotes again, I close the bracket again. After that if I enter, I can see this is A1. Why this is A1? First condition is true, first condition is false, but second condition is true. That means second condition is more than 50. That means any of this condition is true, we can print A1. Now I will click and drag. I will move the mouse in the corner. When my mouse arrow change, I will click and drag. Now you can see the answer is B1. The B1 is, you can see here, first condition is false and second condition is false. That is why B1. If suppose any of these conditions is true, now this 34 I change to 50. I change to 51 because it's more than 50. I change to 51. Now you can see this is A1. That means first condition is true, second condition is false. That means in OR any of this condition is true, it will print A1, and both the conditions are false, it will print B1. Now we can check the if condition, if AND condition. If AND means both, just opposite. Both conditions we need true. If the both conditions true, it will print A1. If both conditions are false, it will print B1, like this. You can see here, this is not greater than 50, this is greater than 50, but it will print B1 because of first condition is false, that is A1. This is the difference between if and OR. So guys, this is for today. I hope this video is helpful for you and I will come with more Excel advanced level. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.